When I started concealed carrying 10 years ago, I didn't know one person who concealed carried every day. I thought that in order to hide a gun every day, you had to be wearing jeans and a gun belt and an oversized flannel shirt. The whole gray man 9 yards. Nothing could be further from the truth. In this video, I'm going to show you how to concealed carry no matter what you're wearing. Let's do it. Hey guys, and welcome back to Modern Protector, where we talk about the skills, the tools, and the mindset that you need to protect yourself and your family. All right, let's talk about how I carry a gun in 3 very different clothing styles on a regular basis. Be sure to stick around to the end because you might think the last one is impossible, but it's not. The first is what I'm calling a standard setup, and this would be carrying in jeans and a t-shirt. This setup is definitely the most simple, which is why it's so popular.
That was easy.
For this setup, I just use a standard gun belt like this blue Alpha belt. You don't have to break the bank with this setup, but it is important to carry with a stiff belt that is made for concealed carry so that the shape of your gun is spread out across your body rather than just being an awkward square. Blue Alpha belts are probably the most affordable for this, and they sent me a few to try out, and I've been really impressed with them so far. For this setup, I'm using my Vetter holster with my Shield Plus Carry Comp Performance Center. And this is a super simple setup that conceals really well. I will say that I've noticed that a darker colored t-shirt usually conceals a little bit better than a light colored t-shirt, and patterns to break up shapes are even better. This next one is what I would call casual setup, and this is the setup that I would wear for shorts or sweatpants. Honestly, this is my go-to most of the time in the summer because I don't usually wear a standard belt. For this setup, I'll usually use my Hunter Constantine belt under my shorts. The HC belt is stiff where the gun needs to be concealed and flexible and stretchy at the back so that it stretches and kind of flexes as you move. To be honest, if you are new to it, the feeling of wearing a belt under your clothes definitely takes some getting used to, but it can be just as comfortable as carrying in jeans, and it's pretty freeing being able to carry a gun in gym shorts. If you go with a good quality belt that's made for that, then it can be really comfortable. And for this setup, I'm running my Eclipse holster with the monoblock clips. I usually clip it over the belt and over my shorts just so that my shorts don't slide up and down. They're kind of locked into place so they don't get in the way of my draw. The only thing I can't do well in this setup is an ab workout. Pretty much everything else is fair game, but that bending motion, just can't do it. But I've even run a 10K with this setup, no problems.
That's what I did. I ran clear across Alabama.
Before we get to how I make my gun invisible in dress clothes, if you are new to concealed carry or you're just trying to find the best way to conceal, then I've got something that will really help you out. My concealed carry starter kit is a short guide that walks you through what gun to choose, the best carry positions, choosing the right holster, and what other self-defense tools you need to be carrying. Honestly, it's everything that I wish someone would have told me 10 years ago when I first started carrying with no guidance whatsoever. You don't have to do this on your own. Check it out in the description down below. All right, carrying completely concealed in a tucked in shirt. Like I said, I used to think that this one was impossible, especially to be carrying in a way where I could get to it quickly. For this one, I'm using the Concealed Craft bridge underneath my pants and shirt. And this one is like a belt with a little pouch that you can stick your gun in, and it just clicks in with your holster clips there. It's basically in between a belt and an inside the waistband fanny pack, but it's super thin and simple. The pouch also has a soft Velcro on the inside, so I've got my snake staff tourniquet in there, and then I've also got a little soft sleeve that I can add a magazine in there if I want to. I don't usually, but it's nice to have. So this is the setup, and then it's just a matter of tucking my clothes over it. I'm also wearing a thinner Core Essentials belt over that, but honestly, you could probably use a standard leather belt since the bridge is doing most of the concealment work, but the Core belt is just a little something extra, and it just looks like a dress belt. And as you can see, there are no clips exposed, not much printing, and no sign that I would actually be carrying a gun. The gun is pretty much invisible and I can still get to it pretty darn fast. Honestly, the belts that are available for concealed carry makes it so much easier than when I first started carrying. The technology has just come a long way, and the right belt is the foundation for any good concealed carry setup. But what about you? What clothing style do you carry in most often, and would you use one of these options? Let me know in the comments down below. If you gained value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more concealed carry content. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.